We're going to be simplifying this polynomial. Remember that if we have a negative in our exponent, that means we have to apply the reciprocal to the polynomial. So for example, we have it raised to the negative 1 power. So therefore, whatever is in the denominator will automatically be placed in the numerator, and whatever was in the numerator will go to the denominator. We also notice that we have a negative in our numerator for a to the power negative 3. So therefore, that has to go to the denominator. So we have b squared divided by a to the third times a to the second times b. So therefore, we have b squared divided by a to the power 5, since we have a 3 and a 2 as an exponent, times b. If you notice, we have b squared in the numerator and we have b in the denominator, so therefore we can still simplify. So b squared is the same thing as saying b times b, and we have a to the 5th times b, and we know that b divided by b is 1. So this will simplify to b over a to the 5th. Number 6, we have x squared times y divided by x times y to the third, and all of this is raised to the second power. And we know that when we have a power raised to a power, we're going to be multiplying. So we have x to the 4th power, since 2 times 2 is 4. And we know by default y is raised to the 1st power, so this will be y squared, divided by, we have x to the 2nd power, and we have y, and we have 3 raised to the 2nd power, so that's going to be 6. If we simplify, we have the same base, so we'll be subtracting the exponent. So we have x raised to the power 2. And since we have y times y divided by y times y times y times y times y times y, and I told you in class this is impractical, but we know that y divided by y is 1, y divided by y is 1, and so what we're left with is x squared divided by y to the 6th power. I'm sorry, y to the 4th power. Since we're left with 4 y's that are being multiplied in the denominator.